How to subtract in Excel. Subtract cells, columns, date and time. What do you mean by subtract in Excel? Many people do arithmetic calculations within the Excel where they have their data recorded. So, in this video, you get to know how to subtract in Excel for subtract cells, column, date and time. You have to choose the process of steps that you want to apply, such as subtraction of date, cell values or time, etc. How to subtract cells or values in Excel. Steps. You have to select the cell where you have to subtract and then enter the equal sign. Now enter the value here. Put the subtraction sign. Then enter the second value. After that, press the enter button. How to subtract date in Excel. Steps. In Excel, you have to create the data with dates, where you must have the start date and the end date. Now, you can find the number of days in between the start and the end day by applying the subtract formula. Now, you have to write formula in the next cell. Cell name of the end date, cell name of the start date is equals to total number of days. The total number of days you get is in numeric form in the cell where you have applied the formula. How to subtract time in Excel. Steps. You have to enter the data first with start and end time. Use A for AM and P for PM and then click on the enter button. Make the whole data by entering start time with A and end time with P so that anyone can understand easily. After that, in another cell, you have to apply the formula that subtract the time. Click on the Format Cell box. Then go to the category list and then click on the Custom option. Go to the Type list and then click H:MM. It means hours and minutes. Click on the OK button and then it shows how many work is done, that is the total time. Now you have to copy the cell with formula to another cell in which you want to apply the same to subtract time in Excel. Subtracting in Excel is done easily as you won't have to perform it separately. By using the steps, you can conveniently do the subtraction within your Excel worksheet. Do follow the steps properly to subtract in Excel without any issues. We hope this video has helped you to provide information about how to perform subtract in Excel. To learn more about Excel things, connect with us and let us know the problems you are facing while working in Excel. If you like this video, then hit the like button and also subscribe and share the video with others.